Hello guys, today I'm back again with another video, and in this video I'll be talking about how to gather all the social media accounts of a target, giving a specific username which is the target uses in almost all of his social media accounts. We have a tool called Sherlock, so you can download this from GitHub. I'll provide you the link in the description section. Okay, now let's install this first. So to install this, it's very easy. So let's move to desktop and we list. Okay, I'll clone it here. Okay, let's wait for the installation process and let's check what we have here. Okay, now here the installation process. We completed this git clone, so now we have to change the directory and we have to go inside this. Okay, I'll make this small. Now let's go to Sherlock. Now Python 3 -m pip. This will install all the necessary modules, Python modules, which are mentioned in requirements.txt file. Text. Okay, I have the spelling correct. Now I'm gonna hit enter. Okay, now this is installing all the packages, required packages, dependencies to run this Sherlock tool. Okay, now we can use this tool. Let's just clear the screen, sorry. Now if we hit Python 3 Sherlock, sorry, dot. Okay, first of all let's list the file. Here we have Sherlock. Now if we enter this Python Sherlock -help, we will be provided with the help section. As you can go through these arguments and give the arguments according to your will. For today we'll basically we'll be looking for this usernames, one or more usernames to check with social network. These tools have other functionality. You can go through this optional argument section. Okay, for the only one user, we have a syntax here, Python 3 Sherlock, and we have a username user123. Okay, let's provide the command 3 Sherlock, and we have, okay, I'll provide you with my YouTube channel name. Now it will go through. Okay, we have found something. We have a Codecademy, Chess Saint, Blogger, Apple Discussions. You can visit this site. Okay, I'll open this link of Facebook. I think this is not me but someone else. Okay, I'll check the other one. I'll check this Codecademy. I think this one is no, this is also not mine. Another. Do we have Facebook here? Okay, I'll just simply interrupt this. I'll search for Python 3, sorry, 3 Sherlock redemption. location 8848. This might give me some result because I use this quite a bit. Okay, in the freelancer.com, I think I did make account here with this. Oh yeah, this is me. Yeah, location, yes, my name, time zone, but this is giving me the result of JavaScript file. This give the correct result, but I think this might be a JavaScript file. Let's check. Yes, this is my name, my location. Okay, now in this way you can collect your target's information about the information about the social media accounts just by knowing his or her username. This much for today. Thank you for watching this video.